All right, check this out. I got up out of my bed to make this video. It's about, I was about to go to sleep, but some things you have to do right away. A lot of you use words that are very corruptive to other people. I hear women use this a lot: feminine energy and masculine energy. Let me explain to you what actually energy is not living. Energy is a concept. It has magnitude. Einstein gave us the famous equation of what energy is. E equals mass times a constant squared. Energy is kind of like a scalar. It has nothing to do with something that's living. So stop saying feminine energy, masculine energy. You men too. Let me educate you on what energy, or what's living. Yahuwah made souls and spirits. Spirits are living. In the books, in the set-aside books, they call him Yahuwah of spirits. Man is a spirit. Woman is a spirit. It's living. The spirit is that which makes that thing what it does. The spirit of a crocodile is what makes that crocodile behave like a crocodile. A man's spirit is what's responsible for making that man act like a man or behave like a man. A woman's spirit is that which makes a woman behave like a woman. Now, if you see the spirit, a squirrel, now the spirit and the man are one. They're the same. They can't be divided. The soul is even more specific. You're speaking with me. You're speaking with a man. I possess the spirit of a man. So I have a man's spirit. But that spirit more specifically is Dale. You understand? Okay. Now, there are unclean spirits in the earth. That's an unnatural spirit. So when you see a woman behaving like a man, it becomes an abomination. That's why it's written, he say, let not a man wear that pertains to a woman. That's spiritually discerned for let not a man do things that pertain to a woman and vice versa. For all that do so are an abomination unto Yahuwah. An abomination is the worst form of sin. That means it's the direct opposite of what he created and intended. An unclean spirit is an unnaturally mixed spirit. It's something that Yahuwah never created. When the fallen angels came into you women, yes, that's how demons came into the earth. They created unnatural spirits in the earth, which are called in the parable of the wheat and tares. Those are tares, and those are also people. And these same people corrupted all flesh by mixing. Let's say one mixed a horse with I forget what a mule is, but they mixed one spirit of an animal with another, and they came out with a mule. Now, you know a mule can't reproduce. That's why homosexuals who go around saying that they're this and that, those are unclean spirits. Yahuwah only made specific spirits. He made man first. Then he brought forth a woman out of man. You understand? So beware of those who who obscure the truth by using fancy terms like woman, masculine energy. No, energy is mass time. Electricity is energy. Okay? It ain't living. What you are speaking to right now is the spirit of a man named Dale. You get it? Dale does not behave like a woman because I'm a pure spirit from Yahuwah. I'm a man. If you see a man behaving like a woman, that's a corrupt, unnatural thing, or vice versa. Understand this. You don't see a squirrel barking. If you saw a squirrel run up to you and started barking and licking, you'd stomp the shit out that squirrel. Like, what the hell's wrong with this? That's a squirrel, but he's acting like a dog. Neither does a dog go slithering around like a snake, because a snake is a snake. The spirit of a snake is a snake. Understand? This is something that I had to get up out of my bed to articulate and record and upload for you, so that when a man speak, a man shall speak truth, and there shall be no graying of the lines. There are lines that Yahuwah established that we are not supposed to cross. Therefore, there's a lot. The only way you can speak uprightly and rightly is to speak rightly. And stop using these terms like energy. It's a spirit. The spirit is living. Energy is electricity. Radio waves is a form of energy. Let's just keep the record straight. Understand that. It's a spirit. You should, when you tell a woman, stop behaving like a man. Stop acting like a man. You're corrupt. What man wants a woman that behaves like him, like a man? That's corrupt. Yahuwah didn't create a woman to behave like a man. He created a woman, the spirit of a woman. That's inside the flesh. When the flesh dies, the spirit goes back from where it was created. The specific spirit is the soul, is who you are. Every spirit of a woman is not the same. Shanika is not the same as Sandra. Dale is not the same as, Demetrius or Roy or something like that. So speak rightly. When a woman, for what you say like is acting like, say, stop acting like a man. You're behaving like a man. That's an abomination. You're doing things that pertain to a man. You are a woman. You're calling out the spirit. The spirit is named a woman. Get it? A squirrel spirit is a squirrel. Yes. So animals have spirit because I forget what book. It's in the book of Jubilee. Say he's the master of spirits. Every beast of the field and every animal has something in it that's responsible for its behavior. Scientists call it instinct. They instinctively know what to do to survive. Let me get some more light here. I know I'm blacking out, but you really don't need to see me. You just need to hear the word and the truth, and that's another frustration. Our people love to make up and create words, and it's out of ignorance and a lack of knowledge and understanding. Everything has a spirit that's responsible for what it does. And scientists can't figure it out. They call it, I forget the word. I think I just used it. Just like certain animals, that's it, instinct. Instinctively, you could throw a dog in the water, he'll instinctively tread water. Yahuwah put that in that spirit of that dog, that when he's thrown in the miyam, or water in Hebrew, he knows how to manipulate it to stay afloat. A fish has a natural spirit from Yahuwah that he knows what to eat. He knows what season it is to mate and lay eggs. All those things come from the Most High. Scientists to this day can't tell you why and how animals are born with this instinctive wisdom. It's because Yahuwah put that. He formed that with the spirit. You get it? A man has a natural spirit. And unclean spirits are those that behave contrary to nature. And Yahuwah is the creator of all things. And when something goes against his natural creation, it becomes unclean. It becomes demonic. And that's why he cast out unclean spirits. They're all over the place. You can see them in people all the time. So I hope this helps you understand that stop using that freaking word energy. Energy is electricity. Energy has magnitude and direction, if I'm not mistaken. I forget, I'm not going to get into all the science. E equals MC squared. Energy equals mass times the speed of light. That's energy. It ain't got no thoughts and behavior. It's one of the pillars that Yahuwah established, the pillars that he established the universe on. Just one of many pillars. So that's all that I wanted. I got up out my bed to do this. I was almost asleep, and I said, I better do this now, because these type of thoughts, you sleep on it and you wake up and you forgot it. They flee. So with that, marinate on what I just said, rewind it, and listen to it again. Peace be with you and good night.